Hey everybody, it's me, Ro from Scalpel and Stem, and for once I get to get plants of my own again. Super excited about that. It's a tissue culture order from somebody I haven't ordered off before, and so I'm going to show you how I take my unboxing videos. So I'm going to just lean my camera on something. It doesn't have to be beautiful. Alrighty, so I actually just lean my phone up against my sunglass case. Alright, so this is problematic. There's no heat pack in the box. I would like to add a note here that this video was filmed in the middle of winter, and therefore it was very cold outside. The box, the plants are in tin foil. There's no insulation. This is problematic. So, tin foil and bubble wrap. Alright. Well, so the plants look green. They don't look dead, but there is literally no way for me to express how cold this is. Cold, cold to the touch. Touching these have been sitting in a mail truck all day, and without any insulation. There's literally zero insulation in this pack. There's no heat pack. Oh, extremely doubtful. Tin foil, interesting choice. Oh, so cold. You can actually, no, that's not. All right. Oh, they're so cold. Jesus. So again, no insulation. I don't know. Something's leaking. Not so much worried about the leaking as I am so there's definitely something leaking in here. Something is wet. And that's one thing. But the problem is the temperature. I don't know if you can see like how frozen these poor cultures are. I'm trying to, let's see. Let me get back behind here. So that one's already, I think the wizard's pretty toast. I don't know. I have to see how these warm back up. This is an unfortunate. So it's been a couple days now, and the only thing that survived from that import were these 4 Frigettis, Anthurium Frigettis, and that is it. So that's a quick video on how important it is to package properly for winter. It was going to be a nice unboxing video with new plants that we could add to the portfolio, but as soon as those poor plants started to thaw out, it didn't matter how quality they were, all the cells just ruptured and they melted away. So, yeah, so that's it. Packaging is important. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Excuse the exceptionally just scattered. I've had a sinus infection for this whole ordeal. So anyways, thanks for watching. Happy planting.